Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Humvee. I really don't know from which case this is, maybe B case. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I was really excited when I saw this. This is the very first car I actually bought, and in Hotwheels in Malaysia. Because originally my plan was just to get the premiums and just get out of there and maybe buy some good action figures. I did buy a lot of action figures, at least a good the action figures which I was looking, throughout my life, which I bought finally. I was really happy about the trip totally, but it was really worth. That one Spider-Man figure itself is, it made that entire trip happy for me. So these are like added additions or added happiness, I guess. Okay. So, okay, the first impressions of this casting, it's just fully plastic, like I already told. It's fully plastic. So, and the chassis is metal. I mean, seriously, I'm just going to, if I'm going to throw it and play it, it is going to break. What I'm going to, cover up this chassis with. So let me see if it does anything here. Okay, there is no indication of anything here. Like it is supposed to be a track focused car or something like that. Nothing. Okay, no headlight details, no tail light details. There is an option to hitch, but what you are going to hitch with? Nothing. You have only like details here on the sides and the top. Seriously, oh man, this is, I really love Hummer so much, but look how they massacred my boy. I mean, they honestly they really effed it up so bad. Man, this is really disappointing, and I really wish they actually had metal body instead of metal chassis. And if they don't have headlight details and up, headlight or taillight details with full metal construction, then that is going to be really good. So this is like cost cutting measure if you ask me, because this is a huge body, right? Huge metal body is going to cost more than a little, the small chassis here. So well played, metal. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm not sure if this is going to be, this is going to be really disappointing, guys, because Hummer is supposed to be weight tons, but this is, I don't know. Okay, let's see. It weighs only 36 grams, man. Compared to this, the Jeep Wagoneer actually weighed more. I think that was around 42 grams or something. Okay, let's see if this fits in the track. Okay, it does fit in the track. Let's see. No, waste of time. Let's roll it here and see whether it rolls properly or not. Nope, it doesn't roll really well. I'm pushing with a little bit of force, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble, like a lot. So honestly, casting wise, worst compared to the Jeep Wagoneer. It's pretty disappointing to see. Even though I love Hummer so much, this made me hate Hot Wheels more. Honestly, man. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.